Pesabha ya ki perlok ki baju sngot na pe ya ke channel jonga te mentangan man rapat ya pi ya ke wai pat ke jingtip kata ka general knowledge hoi perlok ti ba ka general knowledge kalong ke badan kam ha ke jing im jongi la ka dai ha ke jing im jongi chimet ha ke wat ka jam kinu ki benta te singob ha perlok pe hado bakor ke video kanang bakan yarap ya pi bat yanga te singob ha pe ro ya ki video ki bang apen mi sedien kita ro kilong ki mentohi ya pi bat yanga te arle pelok ngini pe. Who is the first chief minister in Meghalaya? Who ay chief minister banengkong jong ka Meghalaya? Tao day Captain William A. Sangma. Who is the first speaker in Meghalaya? Who ay usyong konor banengkong do jong ka Meghalaya? Tao day R.S. Lengdok. Who is the first prime minister in India? Who ay prime minister banengkong do jong ka India? Tao day Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is the first president of India? Who ay president banengkong do jong ka India? Tao day Rajendra Prasad. Who is the present speaker of Lok Sabha? Who ay usyong konor bamenta jong ka Lok Sabha? Shri Om Birla. Who is the present president of India? Who ay president benta jong ka India? Tao day Ram Nath Kovind. Who is the present vice president of India? Who ay vice president benta jong ka India? Tao day M. Venkaya Naidu. Who is the present governor of Meghalaya? Who ay ulat bamenta jong ka Meghalaya? Tao day Satyapal Malik. Who is the present chairman of JHADC? Who ay usyong konor bamenta jong ka JHADC? Tao day Dr. Sanki Changpong. Who is the present chairman of KHADC? Who ay usyong konor bamenta ka KHADC? Tao day Pynmih Singh M. Who is the present CEM of JHADC? Who ay CEM bamenta ka JHADC? Tao day Thombor Chiwat. Who is the present CEM of KHADC? Who ay CEM bamenta ka KHADC? Tao day Tito Starwell Khan. Who is the present Chief Justice of Supreme Court? Who ay Chief Justice bamenta ka Supreme Court? Tao day Justice Sharad Arvind Bobde. Who is the present Chief Justice of Meghalaya? Who ay Chief Justice bamenta jong ka Meghalaya? Tao day Justice Biswanath Somadar. Who is the present Chief Secretary of Meghalaya? Who ay Chief Secretary bamenta jong ka Meghalaya? Shri M.S. Rao. Who is the present Director Health Service of Meghalaya? Who ay Director bamenta jong ka Health Service? Dr. Amanwar. How many districts in Meghalaya? Kanodlik district kidon Meghalaya. Don Katwetali. Tungin pe kita. East Jantia Hills belong di si domta day Frederick M. Dub. Ka West Jantia Hills Shri Garot L.S. Andai. East Khasi Hill Ikong Matsio Dorwar Nongbri Ribhoy R.M. Kurba. West Khasi Shri T. Lengwa. Southwest Khasi Hills Pisa Wanda Lalu. East Garo Hills Shri Swapnil Timbe. West Garo Hill Shri Ram Singh. Southwest Garo Hills Shri Ram Kumar. South Garo Hills H.B. Marat. North Garo Hills C.B. C. Sadhu. Kini kerteng kedai ki DC ki balalong DC itu ki district. Te perlu dah pisngu jo cuma tu ini ke channel sebab Kersian dah ke share, like, dan subscribe. Kenang man pynmih show. Iki video ki beton jumbut. Kembali jebon.